Imagine turning simple words into high-quality, detailed images with no art skills, no design background. In just a few clicks, your ideas appear right on the screen. And the best part? You can easily edit everything, even if you've never used a design tool in your life. Want to know how it works? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. In this video, we'll explore DALL-E, an AI that turns your text into realistic, eye-catching images. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just someone with a great idea, DALL-E can help bring it to life, with no design skills needed. I'll walk you through everything step by step, from writing effective prompts to generating and editing images like logos, posters, and cards. Basically everything you need to get started. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Alright guys, let's get started and see what we can create today. DALL-E tutorial. So let me show how to use the new version of DALL-E from OpenAI, which is built right into ChatGPT. So I'm selecting DALL-E and let's see what it can do. First, I'll enter a prompt, and we'll check out the details and how the image is generated. It's super quick. In just a few seconds, we get two high-quality versions based on the prompt. The results are really detailed. Now we can choose one of them. Save it, view the prompt it was generated from, or close it and keep going. Let's say I choose this image and want to change these flying objects in the sky. I'm toggling the slider to adjust the brush size. Select the area I want to edit. And then choose Edit Selection to change it. Or Clear Selection if I just want them removed. DALL-E regenerates the image pretty fast. And here we are. The flying objects are gone. Plus, we get a little description of the update straight from DALL-E. There's also a cool new feature. Now you can add captions directly to your images. So let's try it out. I'll create a new chat, write a prompt that includes some text, and let's see what we get. The image generates pretty quickly. And we get two high-quality detailed versions, and both with the caption we asked for. The only thing is, the text in the second image isn't super clear, so I'm gonna go with the first one. You can also experiment with your own photos, which you can upload directly from Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, or even your personal or work accounts. So let's upload the photo and see what we can do. For this one, I want to remove the background and replace it with a futuristic night cityscape. I'll drop in the prompt and the photo. So let's see what DALL-E comes up with. Once again, it generates two image options pretty quickly. DALL-E doesn't support realistic face editing just yet, so the result might look a bit stylized. If we want to tweak the image further, we can select one of the versions, choose specific objects to remove, just like we did earlier, and let it regenerate. And here we go. The object's been removed, and now there's just a subtle reflection left on the glass. Looks pretty cool. Let's also try adding a caption to the photo. I'll go with "Welcome to Paradise" in a white cursive font, placed at the top of the image. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, the result is pretty interesting, though it added some random flying objects in the sky again. And the text says, Welcome to Paradise. Just a little typo there. But no worries, we can easily fix that using the Select tool. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now let's ask DALL-E to create a new logo. What's cool is that it first writes a detailed prompt based on what we asked for. And it actually understands that we are trying to generate a logo, then makes the detailed prompt before starting the image. And here we go. 2 creative, really interesting logo designs ready to use. With DALL-E, we can also create custom cards. So let's try generating a personalized Happy Birthday Max card. Let's see how it turns out. And here we go. 2 images, both colorful and clean. And the caption says exactly what we wanted. Happy Birthday Max. No typos, no weird stuff. Very impressive. It's honestly a powerful way to create personalized cards just by typing out a simple description in your native language. Now let's try something different. I am going to ask DALL-E to generate a neon sign with the text Open 24/7. Here's what we got. A cool neon sign on a black wall. But the numbers are a bit off. Not exactly what we wanted. No worries, we can easily fix that using the same Select tool. I'll highlight the area and write a new prompt saying we want to see 24/7 right here in the image. There's a limit, so we have to wait a few minutes, and we're back. Looks like DALL-E misinterpreted the prompt and changed the entire new design. That's probably because we didn't use the selection tool properly in the last attempt. So let's do it the right way this time. Select the area and try again. And yeah, it's still not perfect. So I went ahead and regenerated a few more versions. And here are the neon signs we ended up with. First, I used the prompt, a serene lake view in autumn with the text Peace Within, in an elegant serif font in the center. DALL-E gave me 2 beautiful images, equally stunning and totally giving the vibe I was going for. Next, I tried the movie poster prompt with the caption Galaxy Rising. And honestly, the results are okay this time. The images look somewhat like real movie posters. Here's another one I really liked. A Valentine's Day card with the Be Mine caption in a beautiful cursive font. These turned out super cute. And finally, I generated a motivational design with the caption Push Your Limits and the person climbing a mountain. I had to wait a little longer for this one, but the result was definitely worth it. All in all, it turned out really well. So yeah, these are just a few examples of what you can create with DALL-E, from posters and cards to logos and captions. The possibilities are endless. Final thoughts. Alright folks, let's wrap this up with some final thoughts. DALL-E isn't just a fun AI tool, it's a surprisingly accessible way to generate visuals without needing design skills or hiring a professional. That said, it's still far from perfect. The quality of the results can vary a lot depending on the prompt, and in my experience, there's definitely room for improvement. Some other image generation tools out there are already producing more consistent and detailed outputs. Still, if you're experimenting with content or testing out visual ideas, DALL-E is worth exploring. But don't expect flawless results every time. What we created in this video is just a small glimpse of what's possible, even if it's not quite there yet. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I would love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Till next time, guys!